and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to tell you guys how to make this phone. So what you need for this is some card paper and some A4 paper, and of course some scissors and some glue. So I hope you like it, and let's get started. Done here, I've taken a craft paper and then I've cut it in half. So this is half of craft paper. So what you do now is fold this in half. It should be kind of exactly half. So you have to meet the corner to the corner on both sides and fold it in half. So yeah. Actually, it doesn't even have to be exact, but yeah. So then what you do next is that you keep your phone and trace it out. Here I have traced out my phone, and what you do now is cut it. So as you can see, we have these two things. So for now you take one of them and you fold it in half, okay, like this, and then you kind of make like a thing in the middle,
a small outline,
like an outline
which will then cut out,
which will cut out later,
so we can create multiple sizes.
so that we have multiple screens. So now you cut these out. So you should have something like this. So now we are going to have to stick these together. So you put glue like everywhere from like on the outline of this. So like wherever the line is, like you have to put the glue everywhere. So you have to put glue everywhere except this edge. So you have to put from here to here, but not this edge. So to stick it like this, and every edge except this one will be stuck together. You should have something like this, and there should be like a pocket up here. Now the next thing is, like, imagine you want like 5 screens. So what you do is you place this, make an outline of it, and do that 5 times, and then cut them out. So but the outline has to be a bit taller than this, like this much taller, really, like this much. So measure how much this is and add that to the size of this in length. Okay, so I'm just going to do that, and I've just made 3 screens, but you can make as many as you want. So like they should fit in your mobile pouch thingy. So first we need to design our home screen. So like the home screen, if you have seen, there's the time, the date, and then sometimes there's like an image. So that's what we're going to design first. So first we're going to write the time. So just choose a random time. What you can also do is like see what time it is right now and write that one, but it's totally up to you. So I'm going to write 12:09. Like it just came to my head. You can write whatever you want. See, I've written the time. Oops, sorry, I'm outdoors, so it's a bit windy. So anyway, as you can see, I've written the time. I usually first design things with a pencil and then outline them with a pen, but you can directly do it with a pen. So next, we are going to choose a date. I'm just going to write today's date, which is like I think it's like the 9th or 10th of May. I'm not really good at remembering dates. So I'm just going to write the date in small here. If you want, you don't have to write it in this format. You can do like the date big and the time small. You don't even have to write it here. You can write it here or anywhere. Just make sure that your date and time doesn't get covered by this little thingy, because then you won't be able to see the date and time, you know. So let's write the date. So now that we've written the date, we're going to design like an image or something. So mine's going to be really simple. You don't have to copy me, but if you don't know what to make, you can just copy mine. So I'm going to make like a potted plant here. So yeah, that's how I made my cover image. So it's like a little potted plant with a butterfly in it. I hadn't planned the butterfly, but I just felt like drawing it, so I drew it. So now I'm going to outline this all and color it in. You can use whatever colors you like and whatever type of colors, like crayons or sketch pens or color pencils, anything you want, and just be yourself. Yeah, be yourself. So this is how I designed my cover page. I quite like it, even though it's not the best, but I still quite like it. So I've used like a gel pen, a 0.7 gel pen for the outlines, and I've colored it with crayons, some Crayola crayons. So okay, so this is my cover page of the phone, and I'd really like to see yours. And if you like, you can tell me how you designed yours in the comments below. It's getting a bit more windy. So yeah. So next we're going to design our page on which there, where you have the apps. So you can choose what apps you want. I just make little squares and put the apps icons on them. So you can choose what apps you want. So let's make it. So this is how I've made my app page. So like this is my front and this is my app one. Now since I only have 3, I'm just going to choose a random app and like make how it looks on here. So like imagine I chose, I don't know, like YouTube. So I'm going to be like what you see when you open YouTube, like a search bar and then recommendations and stuff. So I'm going to do that. And if you have like more more screens, you can do like more apps, but I only have 3 screens, so I can do of 1 app. So let's see how it goes. So this is my 3rd screen. I've tried to make it look WhatsApp-y, but I haven't exactly done that. As you can see, I've actually used a bit of color. So I hope you liked it. So in total, these are all of my screens. So these are all of my screens. So as I said, if you want to make more screens, you can. So now I'm going to tell you how we're going to put this all together. So as we have this, taken this. Now first decide which screen you want at your bottom. I want this at the bottom. So you put this in, and then First I'm going to put this in, then this, then this. So when you look at it, you will see the cover image. I'll show you how it looks. This is how it looks. This is how mine looks. So remember, as you can remember, this is the cover page. So, and like, to go to the next page, because there's a pocket here, so you can just pull this one out and you can see the next page, or you can just bring the page you want to the front, whatever you prefer. So later I'm going to design like a logo for this phone, and I'm going to draw it at the back. And I hope you liked this tutorial, and if you liked it, can you please like this video and subscribe to my channel. It does mean a lot to me. And well, thanks for watching. Bye.